If you've ever wondered why some people seem to get ahead financially while others stay stuck in the same place year after year, the answer usually isn't intelligence, luck, or even income. In many cases, it's a handful of habits and beliefs that quietly keep people financially average. And the dangerous part is that most people don't even realize they're doing them. Today, we're breaking down 7 things that might be keeping you financially average, and what to do instead. Number 1, living for appearances. One of the fastest ways to stay average is spending money to impress people who aren't paying your bills. The average person upgrades their car, buys expensive clothes, and stretches their budget to look successful. Meanwhile, wealthy people often focus on building assets before upgrading their lifestyle. Looking rich and becoming rich are 2 completely different goals, and most people accidentally choose the first one. Number 2, trading time for money only. Most people have one income source, a job. Now, there's nothing wrong with having a job. The problem is believing that your paycheck is the only way you'll ever make money. Financially successful people eventually build income streams that aren't directly tied to every hour they work. Investments, businesses, digital products, content, royalties. Assets create leverage, and leverage is what separates average earners from wealth builders. Number 3, waiting for the perfect time. Average people often spend years preparing, reading, researching, planning, thinking, but never starting. They wait until the market is perfect, until they have more money, until they know everything. The problem is that perfect timing doesn't exist. Most successful people start before they feel ready and learn along the way. Action creates clarity. Waiting creates excuses. Number 4, avoiding financial education. Many people spend years studying for a career but never spend time learning how money works. They know how to earn income, but they don't know how to invest it. Many people spend years studying for a career but never spend time learning how money works. They know how to earn income, but they don't know how to invest it. They understand their job, but not taxes, investing, compounding, or asset building. Financial literacy isn't optional anymore. The people who understand money make better decisions with every dollar they earn. And over time, those decisions compound into massive differences in wealth. Number 5, upgrading lifestyle every time income increases. This is one of the biggest traps in personal finance. Someone gets a raise. A few months later, they have a more expensive car, a larger apartment, and higher monthly expenses. Then they wonder why they still feel broke despite earning more. Higher income doesn't automatically create wealth. Higher savings rates and better investments do. The goal isn't to spend every raise. The goal is to use raises to increase your financial freedom. Number 6, following average advice. Most financial advice comes from people who are financially average themselves. If everyone around you has the same financial results, why would you expect their strategies to produce extraordinary outcomes? This doesn't mean ignoring everyone. It means being selective about who influences your decisions. Learn from people who have achieved the results you want, because average inputs usually produce average outcomes, and average outcomes lead to average finances. Number 7, thinking small. Perhaps the biggest reason people stay financially average is that they set average goals. They aim to survive instead of build. They focus on paying bills instead of creating assets. They think about next month instead of the next decade. Your financial future is often limited by the size of your vision. The people who build significant wealth don't just work harder, they think bigger, they look for opportunities, they take calculated risks, and they believe their financial situation can improve dramatically over time. The truth is, staying financially average isn't usually caused by one major mistake. It's caused by small habits repeated for years. The good news is that the same principle works in your favor. Small improvements repeated consistently can completely transform your financial future. You don't need to fix everything overnight. Start with one habit, one decision, one change. Because the gap between average and exceptional is often smaller than it looks. And the sooner you stop thinking like everyone else, the sooner you'll stop getting average results.